so messy. Oh my God. Jordan, welcome home.
Weather is never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this motherfucking heat is getting me.
So because I made this when I was so little, it's just like a childhood box now. So I take it with me when I move, and it just has like old stuff from my childhood in it. So, I'm sorry that those are in there. What is up, you guys? It's Sophie. Today is Monday, August 17th, 1:39 p.m. For today's video, I am moving to my very first apartment. I'm moving to college. I'm moving to Philly. Everything's online for me. I'm not gonna be doing in-person classes, but I am gonna be moving into my first college apartment. So excited. I'm literally in such a rush, and we are literally like about to move me out right now. I just wanted to start before we got into the car, and there's like last minute shit that I need to pack, because for those of you who saw my breakdown in my last video, it's going really great in Sophie's world. My stuff was found. It was found. It was not stolen. We thought that it was stolen for 3 days. Those 3 days were probably the most stressful 3 days ever. For those of you who missed it, we thought my birth certificate, social security card, and $2,000 worth of camera equipment were stolen. It was not stolen, it was missing, but then it was found. So I am one happy girl right now. So yeah, I'm good. I'm vlogging on my camera again. I'm very happy, but I'm also in a rush because we're leaving. So this is what my room currently looks like. We have my phone, my cardigan. This shit I'm not bringing. My dad is downstairs waiting to drive me right now, so we just have to like get shit together. But I wanted to start the vlog first. This is STOLKME moves from her big city NYC Manhattan to North Philadelphia. Let's get started.
Voice inside my head.
So Jordan's stressed, aren't you, baby? He's just so scared because he's never really let out of his carrier when we're in cars, but he was really anxious in the carrier, so I took him out, and I think I made it worse. But now he's just in my arms. You're okay. You just wanted to look around. You just want to know what's happening. We're on Broad Street now, so like this is all familiar stuff. Oh my gosh. Jordan, we're here. Jordan's never been in Philadelphia before. He doesn't care. Okay, so our car has so much shit in it, and they basically just gave us a cardboard box with like this wheelie thing underneath it, so we can just start with all the heavy stuff. Oh, I forgot my bulletin board is here. Yay. They gave me a little welcome pack, which has a mask and hand sanitizer. So much hair on all my clothes because you shed when you're anxious. And that's all you've been doing the whole car ride. Literally all he's been doing the entire car ride was just shedding and yelling. Okay, this is it. It's coming out time. Oh my God. Jordan, welcome home. What is up, guys? It is now Tuesday the 18th. It's the next morning. The second that we got into the apartment, it was starting to get dark, but I wanted to give you guys the full apartment tour when the lighting was better, and I wanted to show me like moving in when the lighting is better. So the only thing that was in my room was just bedding to sleep on, but I'm gonna be showing you guys my bare room, nothing in it. But before we start the actual move-in portion, let me give you guys a quick apartment tour. So first things first, I did put out Jordan's food and some water for him just because he needs to eat. So this is all my stuff that has to be moved into my room, so don't mind this mess. Also, there's like already stuff in the apartment because one of my roommates already lived in the same unit, so her stuff is still here. This is the kitchen, a lot of cabinet space. Most of them are empty. Those are my snacks from last night. All of these, this cabinet space. I am gonna be getting a trash can today, but this is our makeshift trash bag for now. We also have a microwave, dishwasher, and a full-size fridge and freezer. And then this is our, I guess, dining room table. And then this is the living room. We are on the 13th floor, so we have like a pretty cute little view of Philadelphia. My dad gave this to me yesterday, so we could honestly just keep this anywhere. Little coffee table, put some coffee table books on there. Our couch, Jordan's litter box. So this is like kind of the shared space. Using the bathroom, he's like half in, half out. Oh, we also have like this front closet space near the door. Jordan's carrier is in there, and then we also have like some cleaning stuff. So that back area is a replica of what I'm about to show you, but just like none of my stuff is over there. So once you enter here, you are entering me and my other roommate's kind of little area. So this is the bathroom, cute little mirror. This is my side, her side. And then we have our bathroom, which is right here. Let me turn on a light. The lighting in here kind of sucks, but I mean, it's just a standard bathroom. I'm getting new bath mats today because I'm going to Bed Bath & Beyond. So we're gonna have that on our wooden floors. I really also love the wooden floors too, very cute. So we have our sink area, and then my room, and it's locked. And I locked myself out of my room. Of course I would lock myself out of my room. I do like that it locks automatically though. Jordan's so ready to go in. You ready, babes? You going to my room? Welcome to my unfinished room. The only thing, again, that I said is here is my computer and my bedding. I realized once getting here that I was a dumbass and forgot that I have a full-size bed. It's not like my twin XL in my last dorm. So that's what we also have to get at Bed Bath & Beyond, is new bedding. This is my room. It has a full-size bed, a desk that I can put my desktop on, and then we also have a lot of storage space. So I have these 4 dressers right here, and then I also have this storage unit thingy. This is also my view. So I have a 13th floor view of beautiful Philadelphia. So yeah, that is it for my bedroom, and that's basically it for anything that I'm gonna be using in this entire apartment. So we just got back to, oh my god, it's so hot in here. We just got back to my empty ass room. I have a bunch of stuff that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Depot, and Target. So I'm in Target. We just got stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now I'm actually going to unpack everything for real this time, because I actually have it now. Dad? Can you help me put my mattress in the mattress protector? Please? Am I the only person that doesn't know how to put a throw blanket on a bed? Because you know how like it's supposed to look like you just threw it on there, but you actually delicately set it up? I'm trying my best to delicately set it up to make it look as if I just threw it on my bed, but it just looks like I threw it on my bed. This interior design thing is really getting to me. Does this look like I just effortlessly threw this on my bed? I feel like it does for now. I like it, so we'll keep it. It is 7:33. I'm having some trouble figuring out how I want to organize the storage space. I currently have my pants in that big thing over there just because I have so many pants that they're not gonna fit in the storage under my bed. My room is looking pretty bad right now. It's looking pretty messy right now. My posters haven't even come yet. Like, my walls are still white. So I am gonna unpack what I do have today, which is my bookshelf that I believe I bought from IKEA. We have a knife to open these up instead. We are in the bathroom and I got myself this little like shower caddy thing. Hold on. In my college dorm last year, I had to like carry a shower caddy to the bathroom, but now I have this little shower caddy, so I can kind of just put all my stuff in here. So yeah, we're gonna keep that in this corner. Oh, this is messy. This is so messy.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Pushing it is one thing.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah. Did you want to see? Okay.
Okay. It's not funny. I've been up since 7 in the morning. The goal is to finish moving in fully by tomorrow. The bookshelf is getting done, and then I just have some like other stuff that I have to put up. Again, the room is not going to be finished probably for another month, but I decided I'm going to be giving you guys a full apartment tour and room tour probably somewhere in the end of September. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. But I will talk to you guys and finish my room in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of being in my new apartment and day 2 of unpacking. I'm basically in like the home stretch of moving in everything. The room is looking a lot better than it was yesterday at this time. Boxes are being thrown away. We have a really big trash bag with just like everything that I'm not keeping. I'm basically done. There are just like a few more things that I just need to unpack and just put away and store them. I have a record player, even though I own absolutely no records. For now, I'm gonna use this as decoration, but maybe seeing this on my bookshelf will inspire me to buy some records, and hopefully this thing still works. I feel like that looks okay. I just don't know where else to put that, so we'll just keep it there for now. So since my dad had left Philadelphia at this point, I could not rely on anybody to help me, so I had to just get to work and put together everything else that was left. So that meant putting up my bulletin board and putting together my shoe shelf, and I got it all done within like 45 minutes, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I probably shouldn't have just put one up because I didn't space it correctly, because I have two. So I've officially moved into my new apartment. All of my belongings that I already have are all put away. My room is looking real cute. I'm really excited. I haven't even really started the decorating process. None of my posters have gotten here. I did not forget about my plants that I got yesterday. I got 5 plants yesterday at Home Depot. I know that naming your plants is a thing, but I have absolutely no idea what to name any of my plants. I will be that person and I am going to name them. So I have them numbered on the screen. If you guys have ideas of what to name my plants, please comment them down below. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was cohesive. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Now that I finally have my camera back, comment down below any other videos that you would like to see from me. Hey babe. And with that, I love you all so much, and I will see you next week with another new video. Bye.
I kill the bitches on my dick, you know. I got the back and let it hit, you know. I sniff it, blow, and smoking dope, you hoe. I take your shit and run across the globe. Ain't no pressing me, you